Welcome to this impeccable, custom-built daylight ranch with a large detached garage and workshop. It's ideally located, backing to a green space in a quiet Northwest Portland neighborhood at the end of a long driveway. Head inside and discover a spacious floor plan with a double-sided wood fireplace. The delightful kitchen features quartz countertops, a built-in oven, a breakfast bar, and ample cabinetry. From the exquisite olive wood flooring to the French doors, this one-of-a-kind home exudes feelings of sophistication and relaxation. Entertain or just unwind on the large deck. You'll find 3 bedrooms on this main level, including one with an attached full bath. And you'll find another gorgeously updated full bath. The lower level is a spacious retreat with a generous family room that opens to an entertainment area with a wet bar. The primary bedroom ensuite features a cozy fireplace and a large bath with separate vanities, plus a large walk-in closet. The lower level opens to a custom paver patio. Situated on more than half an acre, you'll find plenty of room for family fun or tending to your garden. The 3-bay garage and workshop with its own bathroom is perfect for the car enthusiast or for all of your hobbies. Or relax and reflect by the trees while looking out to the green space. Living here, you'll enjoy top-rated schools with convenient access to shopping, restaurants, and a short commute to downtown Portland and Washington County's high-tech corridor. An exceptional home on Kathleen Drive. It's ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Barbara Case or Larry Burkett with Premier Property Group.